guys, what's up? This is DynixTech256. Welcome to my channel, and today in this video we are going to be discussing how you can easily update your drivers. So click on the window button, type control panel, and then you select control panel. So from there you select system and security, and just click on that, then again click on system. As you are seeing, click on system, then select device manager. So when select device manager, a new window pops out which now loads the drivers which are installed on your computer. So from there you can see all the drivers which are installed on your PC. So these drivers with the yellow icon, that means that those drivers are not installed on your computer. So to easily update your drivers, you can easily see these are already installed. The network adapters, the display adapters are also installed, but you can easily update them by right clicking. You select the driver and then right click on it so that you can easily update it from there. So click update and then you select search automatically for updated driver software. So from here the computer will search a specific driver that is fit for your computer online. So you have to make sure that your computer is connected online. So here you see the base drivers for your device are already installed, so there is no update right now regarding this driver, as you are seeing. So you just close that, and then I think that's the cheapest way on the cheapest way to update your drivers. So there's another shortest way. Just type device manager. The other way was too long, so this one just go straight away to the window that contains all the drivers which are installed on your computer. So here it just pops out all the drivers which are installed on your PC. As you are seeing, as I told you already, that this yellow icon means the drivers are not installed on your computer. When the drivers are not installed, so you have to install them first before updating them. You just update those which are already installed on your machine. As you are seeing, the camera for webcam, the disk drivers, display drivers. You can easily update the DVD and CD-ROM drivers. So it is very cheap and very easy. So guys, you can just click on the drop down arrow to see which driver that is to be updated. Very cheap. So that's how you can easily update drivers in Windows 10. It is very simple, very cheap. Guys, I think that is good for today. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for my channel, and I wish you good luck.